Friction is a force that acts against motion. If I were to have this block of wood sliding across the sandpaper, the motion going from left to right would be inhibited or slowed down by the friction force pushing the opposite direction. In this lab, we're going to measure moving friction as well as sliding friction and see how the surface area affects the friction. Here's what you need. The main component of this lab is the use of the spring scale. Spring scales have various ranges they can be used at. First thing you must do is zero out the scale, and you pull this little tab up top, sliding the scale up and down, get right to the 0. That's ready to go. You're also going to need some sandpaper, of course, for some friction. You'll also use the tabletops. You'll need 2 blocks. They're the same size and weight. And also a ruler so that you can measure both the dimensions of the block, width and length, to get the area of the small side and the bigger side. Here's how you do it. First thing you want to do is get the weight of the block that you have. It's just simply hang it from the scale and record how much the block weighs just hanging there. Then you're going to set up the area for the friction. Here's what you do. All right, first you're going to find the area of both sides. Again, measure centimeters across, multiply those 2 numbers for the side A, that's that area. Side B is much smaller, same length that you have for the A, and that would put those numbers into your table. Then we're going to measure starting friction for block A on the smooth tabletop. Again, I have my meter, spring scale. I'm working with one hand here, one hand on the camera. Now, as you measure these, have a nice steady pull of the meter. Don't hold the meter up in the air. Keep it as level as you can with the block on the tabletop, and slowly pull. You're going to be seeing starting friction. It's going to take more force to get the block moving. Once the block starts moving, the force should drop down. So observe what's happening with the meter. Again, it should be higher to get the block moving. Then try it on the B side as well. Again, just turn it over side and do the same thing with the B side. Observe the starting friction and the moving friction. Then go to the sandpaper, which I have taped down here because I'm only one person. You can have somebody hold it if you like. We're going to do the same thing. Of course, you have more friction now. Starting and moving friction in this direction on the A side, then starting and moving friction on the B side. Again, nice smooth level pulls with the meter. Then one more thing I want you to try is take a second block. It should be the same size as the first one, and try it again. You have double the mass now. So try it on the sandpaper, notably on both sides, on the A side, then try it on the B side as well. Answer the questions and you're all set.